Today we're going to look at this 2022 Sundance Ultralight. This is the 231ML. So we have plenty of pass-through storage here. You got aluminum frame construction, which is great. You got the step above more ride solid steps. So let's take a look inside of this one. So right away, this is a queen bed. You got wardrobe and cabinet space up above, and you got theater seating with your kitchen in the back, and you have this dinette, and you do have a televator. So there's a TV in there. You got up above storage, and you got more pantry space here. So plenty of pantry space, more pantry space. And we pan around here. This is kitchen area. You got a nice view out the back with the windows. Good stainless steel sink. Of course, I can't get that cutting board back in. And you got lots of storage unobstructed up here. And you got your Greystone microwave. More storage. You got the Furrion 3-burner stove with a small oven, but an oven nonetheless. And then of course this is a Norco 12-volt refrigerator, so it is not propane, it is just 12 volt. And we have the bathroom in the back here. So, you got your toilet there, plenty of storage, decent amount of countertop space. And you got outlet, you got a little shelf there with your hooks. And you got this shower here, a little step up. And let me get in here. I am 5'10". And I am not to the ceiling. I'm not even in the skylight bubble, so I would say you got plenty of room in here. So, what do y'all think? You like this floor plan or not? Let me know in the comments. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.